6HP, what brings you joy?
Some things that bring me joy are my family and friends, baking desserts, reading books, and singing songs.
Some things that make me happy are being with my friends and my family, and I love playing competitive baseball because I get to meet tons of new friends there.
Some things that bring me joy are cheer, my friends, my dog, and the fact that otters hold hands when they're sleeping so they don't drift away from each other.
Aww.
What brings me joy is other people. Seeing other people happy, it makes me happy.
You know what brings me joy? Nutella.
So some things that bring me joy in life are soccer, sports, being with family, being warm and cozy, and being appreciated and accepted.
Things that bring me joy are my family, my friends, electronics, engineering, and just having that feeling that I can create whatever I want in this world. What brings me joy is having those fun times with my family, and those just laughing moments that you can always look back on in the future and have a laugh about them.
So what I really enjoy is the movies that I watch, the video games I play, and helping people out when they need it, and the friends and family that I appreciate, and everyone I know and love.
Things that bring me joy are my friends and my family, sunshine, and snow.
Now 6HP challenges you, Pearson. What brings you joy?